How's it going, everybody? It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to yet again another video. Cheers, by the way, guys. I appreciate all of you for tuning in as we're almost at 50,000 subscribers. So in this video, we're going to break down Sofi as we're about 15 minutes away from close. We're going to go over the charts, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. And guys, snag up your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So if you guys want some free money, check out the link down below or go to stasurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers again. Let's get into it. So guys, we're about, like I said, 15 minutes away from close, and let me tell you, man, today has been a great green day for Sofi stock and for the entire stock market pretty much, except for the Dow, which now is slightly in the red. And now that I'm looking at it, yeah, the Russell's down a little bit, but the S&P's up around 0.5%, and QQQ, the NASDAQ 100, is up almost 1%. So pretty good green day for the Qs, for the S&P 500, and a lot of stocks out there. And SoFi's up over 3%, almost 3.5% in the green, and we're trading now in the mid to low 15s, more like the mid 15s, as we're at $15.35 now, and we hit almost $15.50 just about an hour and a half to 2 hours ago. So SoFi is moving, guys. We're taking out the highs from Friday. Obviously, we actually gapped up this morning. Then we came down, retested the closing price from Friday. You guys see right here. So we opened up at about 15.20, came down to about 14.90 closing price from Friday. We held that as support, got a nice V-shaped recovery, and it's been uphill since, right? So we're looking good on the intraday and on the 5-day, 5-minute. This shows us we have a golden cross. We're above both moving averages, and we're slowly starting to reverse, right? That's kind of what this is showing us on the 5-day, 5-minute. And now that I'm looking at this, hold on a second, guys, we can see we're pretty much at a big resistance at about 15.50, which was support, it looks like, here on the 27th, 30th, and 31st of December. So that was support for 3 trading days. Then we fell through it. It became resistance. And here we are now, guys. You can see clear as day. We've been wrestling with the mid-15s all day, which was support. Now it's resistance. It needs to break. It needs to break in the short term. And here on the 1-hour chart, guys, we're at a big resistance. We're at the 180 SMA resistance, which it's been resistance for a couple of days, nothing too crazy, but we're also approaching the top of this channel. You guys see it right here. 1550. It all comes back down pretty much to 1550, right? That's a big level of resistance. Not only is it, like I said, support from a couple of days ago, but it's also resistance here on the 1-hour chart. We're under the 180 SMA, right? We're in this downtrending channel, so this just needs to break overall, right? And on the 4-hour chart, if I pull this up, you can see it even better. You can see the downtrending channel, how we're still under both moving averages on this time frame as well. Here on the 4-hour chart, you guys see that, and we're at the top of the channel. This spot needs to break. So I'm going to set my alert, guys. We'll put it for now at $15.50. And for tomorrow, ideally, I'm going to see if we gap up and build off the gains from today. Kind of similar to what we saw earlier today, right? Let's see if that happens again. Earlier today, we got a gap up, then we pulled down, we filled the gap down, then we recovered, right? Rallied and start moving. We started then moving for the rest of the day. So for tomorrow, let's see if we do the same thing. Let's see if we gap above 1550. That'd be ideal. And let's see where it goes from that point. What do you guys think? I'm curious. Let me know in the comments down below. And as for my position, you guys know I'm in at $6.80. That's my average cost. I've told you guys this for months at this point. I've owned the stock now for over a year. So yeah, that's my average. And for me, guys, I'm just holding on. I'm not buying more here. I'm not selling, at least in my long-term account. Maybe in my trading account, if it breaks 1550, maybe I'll trade that. In fact, I probably will trade that. If it breaks 1550 into the 16s, momentum builds up, that'd be a nice breakout opportunity. But for now, guys, in the trading account and in the long-term investing account, I'm sitting on my hands on SoFi stock. For now, and we'll see how that plays out. Like I said, we had a nice green day. Well, I guess we still have 10 minutes left of trading, but nice green day for SoFi and the entire stock market for the most part as well. It looks like the Russell and the Dow, they're slightly in the red right now, but I'm pretty sure earlier they were in the green. The Russell, if I pull the intraday up, if it wants to let me, there we go. Yeah, we're down from 2290 to about 2267 intraday, so we are down. So we were green earlier in the day. Same with the Dow. The Dow was up to 43,100. Now we're back down to 42,600. So, yeah, I mean, we've given back a lot of the gains. So, overall, even though the Dow, Russell, they're in the red, I would still consider today a W in the books for the bulls, no doubt. I mean, the Dow took out the highs from Friday, even though we're gapping or, selling off now, whatever. We still took the highs out from Friday. The Russell, I think, did as well. I mean, yeah, right, earlier in the day when we were up, to 2290, we took out the highs from Friday, and obviously SPY and QQQ did that as well. So, yeah, we're moving in the right direction, guys. And shameless plug, if you do want to keep up with what I'm doing in my portfolio with SoFi, with other stocks, check out the Patreon. I have a portfolio on there. You guys see every move I make every week, plus more. Shameless plug. Feel free to go check it out. I actually just bought more of a stock today, guys. That's if you're interested. Shameless plug. If you're interested in, and what I'm doing in the stock market, you get to work with me a little bit more one-on-one. That is linked down below. But, pretty good day. W for the bulls, in my opinion. And a lot of stocks are moving, not just SoFi. We have some other ones here quickly. We'll run through them on the watch list. Micron is moving 11% today, guys, making a big move back over the moving averages here on the 4-hour chart, although it's not fully breaking out by any stretch of the imagination. It's looking pretty good. Micron, ticker symbol MU. OKLO, man. What do we say in my video yesterday? I think we covered it. This thing is up another 11%. I mean, this is unbelievable. We called out this channel that it was in right here. We broke out of it yesterday, and I told you guys yesterday, look, watch out for this momentum to potentially continue. And it did exactly that, man. We went from 21, now we're at $31, and it might not be worth chasing now. I think it's a bit overbought, but on any sign of a pullback, I'm going to be watching OKLO very, very closely, and let me see what else is moving. I mean, Coinbase, we called it out. Coinbase is recovering beautifully, up around 7%. We talked about this yesterday, so this should be really of no surprise to you. Coinbase looks great, ripping like no other right now. We have stocks like ARM Holding, Shopify, but I'll save those for another video. For this video, though, that's it. I hope you all found value. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Once you open up your account and deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, that is a no-brainer. So, again, use that link or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.